The nation's top infectious disease expert, Dr. Anthony Fauci, says COVID case numbers are going in the right direction, but that we can't be overconfident in dealing with the virus. Some states appear to have reached their peak, and cases of Omicron are on the decline, but some states are still seeing rising numbers. Here's reporter Zareen Shah with the details, and it's our top story at 5:30.
Protesters descending on Washington, D.C. Sunday for what was billed as a rally to defeat the COVID-19 vaccine mandates. As this movement against vaccines and mandates continues, more than 5 million new cases of the virus were reported nationwide in the past week, an average of about 726,000 new cases every day, but that's down about 10% in the last week. Dr. Anthony Fauci is as confident as he can be that most states will reach a peak of Omicron cases by mid-February.
So things are looking good. We don't want to get overconfident, but they all look like they're going in the right direction right now.
Some states in the Northeast and upper Midwest are already seeing declines, but cases are still rising in southern and western states.
There may be a bit more pain and suffering with hospitalizations in those areas of the country that have not been fully vaccinated or have not gotten boosters.
Rising case numbers are pushing hospitals and healthcare workers to the brink.
If you fall on the ice, you have a heart attack, you have a stroke, we don't have beds available for those types of incidents. All the beds are being full by COVID patients. Patients are waiting in the emergency room for days.
Amid this latest surge, demand for testing is on the rise, but delivery of at-home rapid tests has been delayed by ongoing supply chain issues caused by a combination of workers calling out sick with Omicron and bottlenecked warehouses. This California warehouse is working to clear a backlog of millions of tests for iHealth, a company that has contracted with the government to supply free tests to millions of Americans.